Introduction. Strategic location in CPEC context. Pakistan Thesis presents this section as part of a complete academic thesis on the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, known as CPEC. In the context of CPEC, strategic location does not mean geography in isolation. It means geography as a functional corridor connecting regions, markets, and maritime routes. According to the Planning Commission of Pakistan and the CPEC Authority, Pakistan's location is the foundational reason CPEC exists. Outline 1. Strategic geography defined for CPEC. In the context of CPEC, strategic geography refers to Pakistan's role as a physical and economic bridge between Western China and the Arabian Sea. According to the Planning Commission of Pakistan and the CPEC Authority, Pakistan's geographic placement is the primary structural reason for the corridor's design. Without this location, CPEC has no logistical or economic basis. Outline 2. Pakistan as the shortest access route for Western China. Western China, particularly the Xinjiang region, is landlocked and geographically distant from China's eastern seaports. CPEC provides the shortest and most direct land-sea route from Western China to the Arabian Sea through Pakistan. This strategic rationale is documented in Planning Commission of Pakistan reports, CPEC Long-Term Plan, Official Belt and Road Initiative policy documents. Outline 3. Gwadar Port as the southern anchor of CPEC. Gwadar Port represents the southern terminal of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. According to the Gwadar Port Authority, Gwadar offers deep-sea access near major international shipping lanes linking the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and East Asia. This location significantly reduces transit distance, time, and logistical cost. Outline 4. Regional connectivity enabled by Pakistan's location. Pakistan's geographic position allows CPEC to function beyond a bilateral project. It connects Western China with global maritime trade, Central Asia with warm water ports, South Asia with Middle Eastern markets. The Asian Development Bank identifies CPEC as a multi-regional connectivity corridor, not merely a transport route. Outline 5. Energy and trade security dimension. One strategic objective of CPEC is diversification of energy and trade routes. According to the International Energy Agency and Chinese strategic assessments, long and congested maritime routes increase supply chain vulnerability. CPEC introduces an alternative land-sea corridor, enhancing regional energy and trade security. Outline 6. Strategic significance for Pakistan. For Pakistan, CPEC transforms geography into economic leverage. Instead of remaining a peripheral transit state, Pakistan becomes a corridor economy with transit revenue potential, infrastructure investment, regional trade relevance. These outcomes are referenced in official national development frameworks of the government of Pakistan. Outline 7. Why geography alone is not enough. Geographic advantage alone does not guarantee development. According to World Bank corridor and transport studies, strategic location delivers results only when supported by infrastructure quality, institutional coordination, policy continuity, governance and security capacity. Outline 8. Strategic geography as the foundation of CPEC. In CPEC, geography is not a background variable, it is the foundation. Every road, railway, energy project, and port investment under CPEC is designed around Pakistan's strategic location. This makes strategic geography the constitutional base of the entire corridor. Outline 9. Geographic integration of land, sea, and air corridors. Pakistan's strategic geography under CPEC is not limited to roads or ports alone. According to the CPEC long-term plan, Pakistan enables the integration of land corridors through highways and railways, sea access via Gwadar Port, air connectivity through upgraded regional airports. This trimodal connectivity strengthens Pakistan's position as a comprehensive logistics corridor rather than a single-route transit state. Outline 10. Strategic geography and regional stability. Strategic geography under CPEC also carries a regional stability dimension. International development institutions note that economic corridors passing through underdeveloped regions can reduce isolation by improving market access, encouraging investment, enhancing state presence. In Pakistan's case, CPEC-linked geography connects historically remote regions with national and regional economic systems. Referenced in World Bank Regional Integration and Corridor Development Studies. Outline 11. Strategic geography as the entry point of the entire CPEC thesis. Strategic geography is placed as Outline 1 because it is the entry point of the entire CPEC thesis. Without understanding Pakistan's geographic role, the economic logic of CPEC remains incomplete. Infrastructure investments lose context. Policy and governance debates become fragmented. Therefore, every subsequent outline in this thesis builds upon the geographic foundation established in Outline 1. Reference. Reminder for examination recall. All factual foundations in Outline 1 are derived from the Planning Commission of Pakistan, CPEC Authority, Gwadar Port Authority, Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, International Energy Agency, and Official Government of China Belt and Road Initiative documents.